Meaning of gearbox.
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 Gearbox. A gearbox is a mechanical component that transmits power from an engine or motor to other mechanical components. It is used in a variety of applications, including automobiles, industrial machinery, and power generation equipment. The gearbox consists of multiple gears and shafts that change the speed and torque of the output shaft compared to the input shaft. This allows an engine or motor to operate at a more efficient speed while still providing the necessary power to perform the work required. In summary, a gearbox efficiently transmits power by changing speed and torque, making it an important component in many industries.